Welcome to my channel Correct Code. So in this if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. In this today's video we are going to learn how to pass data or and also object for the links. Okay, so let's open this and let comment, go to home page. So here we are going to learn how to pass data between the pages and object. Okay, so let's comment these things. Okay, let's comment now. For example, if you want to pass a data through URL, so we need to pass an ID. So this is one way. Okay, or else if you want to pass an object, there is another way, so that I will explain. So I am going to create the ion list. So each item will have a ion item. I am going to create a ion item, and each item will have a label ion hyphen label. So here I am going to mention price and the product name. So if user clicks the particular product, and we need to pass the ID of that particular product. So first I am going to add the loop here. So I am going to add the loop here. Okay, and star ng for equal to let p of product. Okay, so I have given the loop. So products here is an array of our objects. So now we need to mention here products any, and it's a array. Okay, so now in the array I am going to mention few products like title, Samsung, and price 50,000, and description Samsung mobile. Okay, comma, copy and paste it. Okay, so let's rename them. Let's rename them. Okay, so title iPhone 60,000, and then MacBook Pro 1,50,000. Okay, so this is how what is the error here? We just forgot to add equal to. Okay, so now I have mentioned the products. Using this variable, we are going to import the products here. So we have already created here. So we just need to write it here, p dot title okay, p dot price. Now we just save it, compiled successfully. Now come here, oh sorry, there is a problem, there is a flower packet. Just save it. Let p of products, p dot title. Okay, sorry, I forgot to save the page. So we got it right, Samsung, iPhone, MacBook Pro. So we got the 3 products. Okay, so this is the list. Here we have covered like component here, ionic list and ionic items. These items are coming via loop. So here now we are going to link the router. Router link equal to detail. Okay, so now we are going to pass the ID. Okay, so before passing the ID, I need to mention the ID. So I am going to add one more item, ID equal to 1, ID equal to 2, ID equal to 3. Okay, so let's get back here. Now detail. Okay, it's now I have given IDs. P dot ID. If I run this, it might like throw some errors. Okay, just about. So for example, if I click this, so see, if I click this, it's not functioning, right? So let's see, just open this in a okay, and we can see in command, like if we inspect, we can see here in the console what is the issue. If I click this, see, cannot match any routes URL segment. Okay, so cannot match any routes, because see this structure is not at all mentioned anyway, about slash ID. So as of now we have in the routing also we have mentioned only about, but there is no ID, right? About ID. Okay, so and you can see like home and about only here. Okay, here in the path we don't have any slash or a number or ID. Okay, so what we have to do is we need to create another path. Okay, we need to create another path. Copy and paste here ID, like so. This is user defined. You can use anything. So when you are passing the ID, you need to display the same page, but you need to mention the ID. So above about is same page and below also about module is same page, but what we are doing is we are just adding a routing. We are now adding a routing. So this is how we need to do. So just save it. Now just go back and click on about. So we have got the page link. So you can see the URL top about one. So earlier we have got an issue, now it was resolved. So now what we have to do? Now we have to retrieve the data. So now we have to retrieve the data. Okay. So let's to view this ID we need to use activated router. Okay, so just go to constructor and mention private route activated route. So here I am going to create a product ID. So I am getting this dot product ID equal to this dot root dot snapshot dot para map. You will get with this Visual Studio Editor, you will get the suggestion, so it will be easy for us to code. So get what we are snapshotting the ID. Okay, so we are getting ID. This ID is a user defined. So whatever we are passing here, we need to pass it in the app routing module. So now we need to display the product ID here. Okay. Product description. Okay. P so here we are going to display the product ID. Okay, product ID, save. So product ID is not coming, something some issue is there. And save it. We are going to get this ID, save it and click. See, we have got the one. I forgot to save the page. See, we have got the IDs, right? 1, 2, 3, right? Now this is one way to pass the data. Okay, so usually what we do in the real time, having a lot of data. For example, if you are running an e-commerce website, there are multiple product information, right? like we have a product name, product description, product image, product uh, like product reviews. These all information are there. Okay, so if you want to make any online web request, you can follow this method. Okay, okay, using this id you can make some request. Okay, so in another video we are going to display the information of that particular id. So we will cover in another video about fetching the details of the product. Okay, so this is how we are going to pass the data from one page to another page. So this is the process. I hope you guys understood. Just a fast recap we will do. Home page, we need to add a ion list and create a for loop and router link p.id. So we need to create a products an array. These are the array of items, and then in the app routing, and we need to mention the path also, as we are sending through router link. So once we send, come to about and mention here, take a variable product id, and in this we are whatever we are snapshotting the id name we are going to display here. So this id name is we are going to display here, this about 2. So that's it guys. Hope you understood the navigation between passing data between pages from one page to another page. Okay, if you have any doubts you can just mention in comments. I am going to reply you. Thank you.